Hello there, this is Eve, and here is how you can set, customize, or fix your TikTok privacy settings on Android or iPhone. So here are the steps to properly set your privacy settings on TikTok. First, you need to open the TikTok app, go to your profile by tapping the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Tap three-dot line, tap Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy. The first option is Private Account. You can toggle on or off this option. At the same time, you can enable or disable your activity status. After these two settings, you can tap Suggest your account to other. Hey, you can decide on a few different settings. You can share with whom you want to share your content. You can share it with your contact list or Facebook friend by enabling these two options. Also, you can choose manual connections or the last option to share your TikTok content. Remember to share your content with your content on Facebook. It would help if you toggle on these options from these scenic contact and Facebook friends. You can choose any specific settings from here to customize. In the comment section, you can choose between public, friends, or only me. Everyone means that anyone can comment on your videos. Follower means only people who follow you can comment on them, and only me means that only you can comment. In the same way, you can set or customize your settings for the TikTok account. It's essential to regularly review and update your privacy settings on TikTok, especially if you receive unwanted attention or harassment on the platform. Be sure to choose settings that are appropriate for your needs. Thanks for watching.